2021. Dear students, all of you are now filling the exam form for Summer 21 MSBT exam. So in this video, I will explain how to fill exam form for Summer 21. So first of all, dear students, go to the msbt.org.in. So in Google search msbt.org.in, this type of window will get open. Then you have to click on online activities. So after clicking on online activities, this type of window will get open. After that, here we have to click on MSBT online activities logins, academic year 2021 eligibility and exam form. So after clicking on this type of window will get open. So here on the left hand side, candidate login, exam form login, we have to click on exam form login. So this type of window will get open. So you have to enter the username and password. So for demo, I will take the username for Raman 20093500235 and password is also provided. So you can enter your password. So I will enter here password. Then we have to enter the validation code, that is H7 small k at S3, and then we have to click on login. So after clicking on login, you can see here the exam form Summer 21. So click on this exam form Summer 21 login. Then on the left hand side, you can see here fill exam form. So you can click on fill exam form. Here enrollment number you have to check, your name, then mobile number. I will enter the mobile number for student. Then email ID. So valid mobile number and email ID you have to enter. So dear student, I will enter the email ID also. Padwal Raman 88 @gmail.com. Then NAD ID. If you don't have the NAD ID, okay, so if you have valid NAD ID, you can click over here and then you have to submit. So you can submit your form. So this type of window will get open. Here now for Raman Padwal ME4I 4 semester form is available because he is a second year student. So we have to click on ME4I. So after clicking on ME4I, all the subjects for 4th semester you will find on the screen. So you have to check all the subjects and all these green ticks. So you can check all the subjects which are applicable for you, and after that here amount you have to pay online 600 rupees and then you can submit. So you have to click on the submit button. So after clicking on submit, your form is confirmed. Means this form is confirmed by candidate only. Your form is not confirmed by institute and also not by RBT. So to confirm by institute, you have to pay your exam fee through online mode. That is rupees 600 per semester. So dear student, As per given schedule, please fill your exam form properly in given time period only. So you can click here to print your filled form. So you can save your form also for future reference purpose. So dear students, in this way you can save your exam form in the PDF format for your reference purpose. So I hope all this information you had understand very well. So thank you very much.